Hello and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove user in Proxmox 8. Go to Data Center, Users. Select the user you want to remove and click Remove. Hit Yes. Now the user is removed from Proxmox, but you need to remove it from OS level. Go to Proxmox, Shell, login as root, copy command from description and replace user with user you want to delete. Now go to CD, Home, list the directories and remove directory of user you deleted with command remove -rf. Now user is fully deleted. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.